Behind every successful event, a planner, a guide plays an important role to make the event a grand success. So, at last but not the least, among dignitaries, we will now have a final and morally boosting words by the person who holds the flag sheet of this entire faculty development program. That is our respected principal and chief coordinator of this event, Dr. Ranjit Sawant sir. He has completed his bachelor's and master's in electronics, and also he has completed his PhD from Sant Gajanan Maharaj University, Amravati. He has published 30 research papers in national and international journals. Along with these, he have on his name one patent and one book. Sir has a tremendous experience in academics as well as in administration. He was elected as an executive council member of Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi from last 3 terms and still serving this society in his full capacity. Additionally, he earned Best Polytechnic Teachers Award by IST in 2016. And he has been working on several positions at state and national level in the field of technical education. With a hope to receive great and academically enriching input from him, let me now present before you a dynamic leader of our institute, Dr. Ranjit Sawant sir.
Hello dear participants, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all for DT, MSBT and IST approved 4-week faculty development program on communication skill and personality development on the Moodle platform. I am very blissful to share with you that this is of its first kind of program organized by any polytechnic in the Maharashtra. I am very much excited and enchanted because of the overwhelming response given by all you participants. We never expected such a kind of prodigious response from all over the India. Government Polytechnic Hingoli is a Maharashtra State Government Institute, runs under Directorate of Technical Education Mumbai. It is affiliated to the MSBT Mumbai, that is Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, and approved by AICTE. We offer mechanical, computer, IT and electronics and telecommunication diploma along with second shift minority diploma for the mechanical. Dear friends, nowadays we are passing through a pandemic situation of the corona. Because of this corona pandemic, all major sectors, not only in India but globally, are affected. Our education or technical education is one of them. But it is said that opportunity lies in the crisis. So here we got an opportunity of online teaching. Because of this compelled situation, we receive an opportunity time to upskill and upgrade ourselves for the online teaching. Nowadays, our all fraternity is working on online teaching, but because of the online teaching, not only students but other stakeholders of education are also watching us. Most of them are encouraging us, motivating us, but some of them are also criticizing us. Criticizing because of our English language, because of our communication skill. Albert Einstein once said, when you stop learning, you start dying. So, learning is a continuous process. It keeps us alive, it keeps us going. So, we should utilize this time for learning not only online teaching but also some of the theories and practical issues of communication skill as well as personality development. Because since our ancient days, our teacher is considered at very higher level. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. So, our teacher has to be ideal. He has to be perfect. He may be teaching mathematics, but his communication skill should be good. He should be good communicator, because in our changing era, the role of the teacher is going to be changed. He is going to be a facilitator than the only teacher. He has to support, help our student to upgrade and upskill, to acquire new skill of the changing time. And when we expect our student should be good in communication as well as personality, it becomes indispensable for us to be good in these areas also. So for that we have chosen this particular topic, which is nearly time of this particular phase. In this context, I like to appreciate the effort taken by our resource person. They have given their valuable time, valuable input for this faculty development program. I would like to mention their name. The resource persons are Dr. Suvarna Shinde from the SNDT University, Mumbai, Dr. Gaurav Thakral from Sevani University, Gujarat, Dr. Shabir Parmar from Government Arts College, Okha, Gujarat, then Dr. Utpal Ganatra from Government Polytechnic, Dahod, Gujarat, Miss Firoza Mirza, the public speaker from the Mumbai, Dr. Jigar Abhani from Rajkot, and Professor G.B. Sude from Government Polytechnic, Hingoli. I also take this opportunity to give my gratitude, express my gratitude towards our authority. Our young dynamic Director of Technization, Dr. Abhay Wagh, Director of MSBT, Dr. Mohit Kar, and the Joint Director of our region, Aurangabad region, Shri Mahesh Shivankar, always motivated us, encouraged us for such a kind of new activities. I will also like to mention Dr. V.R. Jadhav, Secretary of the MSBT, Dr. Nagdeve, Deputy Secretary of the MSBT Mumbai, as well as Dr. Anand Yadav, Deputy Secretary of the Aurangabad region RBT, for their continuous encouragement and motivation for this FDP. I would also like to mention the youngest President of the India, Dr. Pratap Singh Desai, and the Executive Secretary of the IST New Delhi, Sri Vijay Vaidya. Both of them are very good friend of me, but they have encouraged me always for such a kind of new activities. I also like to express my thanks towards for the acceptance of this inaugural function. Dr. Pratap Singh Desai, Dr. Suresh Avalkar, and Dr. V.R. Jadhav are with us for this inaugural function. They accepted our invitation and they are virtually here with us for the inauguration. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support. Of course, I have to mention the effort taken by my organizing team. Professor Ikrar, Tadwi Pathan, and Professor Tanulkar are the coordinators of this event. They have taken the Herculean effort since last month for successful conduction of this event. Of course, with them, our all electronics department faculties are working with them for successful conduction. So I wish you all the best for this program, for this 4-week faculty development program. I hope you will enjoy this program. You will definitely have some inputs while going while completion of this FDP. Don't complete this FDP for the sake of certification. It's my personal appeal to all of you. Try to have some values from this program, because life never stop teaching. So we should never stop learning from the life. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.